Okay, mushroom hike. We are finding mushrooms, and I stumbled across this here. I don't know. I'm going to say it's like a mini bog area, kind of. Pretty. It's not common, no. Interesting though. Let's see. The ladybird's into it. Let's see what we got here. This is cool. Got some huge ferns here. I mean, they're as tall as I am, almost. Oh yeah, nice little bog. Look at the bogs and the frogs and this stays wet too, by the looks of it. Most of the time. Just a little bog. Looks like a little jungle. Might even be dinosaurs here still. We'll have to see. Alligators. Interesting.